Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Canning Nana. So today I am going to just do a really quick update on the Thrive Life Black Friday sale that is starting tomorrow if you're not a consultant. If you're a consultant, it started this morning. Just want to show you a little bit about what's on sale. So they have two Black Friday variety packs. One is of fruit and excuse me, one is a mixture of a bunch of different things. Really good deal. These are 30% off. Here we have peaches, blueberries, Granny Smith apple slices. Let's just scroll this down a little bit. And tomato powder is on sale. Remember, these are all 30% off starting tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Central Time. Just follow my link, and the link will be in the description. Sign up today if you're not already signed up, because the site crashed this morning, and I anticipate it crashing again tomorrow. This is freeze-dried zucchini, green bell peppers, kale, red seedless grapes, carrot slices, or carrot dices, sorry, chopped spinach, potato chunks, mashed potatoes, and shredded beef. I'm getting a few of those, you guys. 30% off. That is amazing. And they have the chicken gravy, rich chicken gravy, vanilla yogurt bites, pomegranate yogurt bites, shredded Parmesan cheese, and shredded cheddar cheese. I also got a few of these. Remember, you guys, 30% off. This is an amazing sale. Amazing. So it brings it down. I mean, you could almost get 2 for 1. Not quite, but it brings it down that much. So the country white dough mix is out right now. I'm not sure if it's going to be up tomorrow. I'm hoping, because I want some of that as well. We have instant black beans, instant brown rice, which I also got a couple of. Instant refried beans, and the consolidator cupboard, which I have a couple already that I need to set up. So what you do tomorrow at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time, so adjust that time for your time zone, you go on the website, and the link will be in the description box below, and you'll see a Black Friday sale. Click on that. Right here, Black Friday sale going on right now. Add code Black Friday at checkout and save 30% on select items. So the prices you see here are not the prices that you're going to be paying. The prices are going to be 30% off after you put that code in. So if anybody was on the fence about getting started with Thrive Life, this is a great addition to your working pantry, to your long-term pantry. I use these foods every single day. I took some to Oregon with me. These are really, they're freeze-dried foods, so they taste just like regular food. The meat tastes just like regular meat. It's all the same. It's just freeze-dried. It is different than dehydrated. You save a lot more vitamins by freeze-drying. It's a lot easier to refresh the food. Some of the food, just, like the onions, even the bell peppers, I don't fully refresh. I just add them to my stir fry and they cook in there, and it's just like adding fresh vegetables. It's really good, you guys. So many possibilities with all of these foods. So many meals. I know beef is so expensive right now. And I already have some of the freeze-dried in stock, but I did get a couple more cans of the shredded beef just to make sure that I have some. And if anybody needs tomato powder, if you didn't make your own or you didn't make enough, they do have tomato powder. So, yeah. And I am looking for new consultants. You save money every shipment, and you also make money as you get more consultants and customers. So it's a really great thing if you're already doing a canning pantry, a prepper pantry. if you're already doing all of these things, canning, dehydrating food, freezing your food, freeze-dried food is the next thing to add to your pantry in case we can't find these things. And this site has been crashing all morning, so demand is out there, you guys. It is unprecedented. The amount of people learning to can, wanting to learn to preserve, and buying freeze-dried food is just unprecedented. But we know what's happening out there, and in light of that, we have opportunity to add something different to our canning pantry. And these foods last for 25 years, you guys. Really good deal. So it's great to have in your pantry. You can either let it sit there, or you can do what I do and incorporate it into your menu planning every week. I love the foods. The foods taste great. I highly recommend them as the next thing to add to your canning pantry. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you have any questions at all, please leave it in the comment section below or email me at thecanningnana@gmail.com. And I will see you guys soon. The word of the day is thrive. Just thrive. Sorry, you guys. I'm a little bit under the weather today. So don't forget, the word of the day is thrive. And sign up on my website as a customer. And sign up as a delivery customer. This way you save the 30%. If you're just buying retail, you're going to save 15% on the sale. And then as soon as the sale's over and you get it shipped, you can take everything out of your shopping cart or your little truck up here like that. It'll show up there. Just take everything out as soon as you placed your order, and you won't be charged the next month. And then if you want to order next month, you can start stocking different things in there. So what I do is I have been stocking up a little bit here and there, putting in orders a couple times a month. And I've got a pretty good size pantry already, and I've only been doing this since August. So I've earned a lot of free food just by being a consultant and making certain sales, going through training. You get free credit. So it is a really good company to work for, really good company to buy from, and the foods are just amazing quality, organic foods, natural foods. There's nothing but the product in here except for citric acid in a couple of the products. But otherwise, what you see is what you get. If it says mashed potatoes, you get mashed potatoes. Shredded beef, that's all that's in there. Carrots, you get carrots. No chemicals, no anything like that. This is good quality food to add to your pantry. Great for camping, great for backpacking, great if you're a boater, and great if you're a prepper, or if you just have a canning pantry that you want more opportunity to save different kinds of food. That's where I am, you guys. This was just the next natural step for me to go after canning, dehydrating, gardening, freezing. This is the next step. So now I have freeze-dried food and I am pretty well stocked. So I hope you guys take advantage of this sale. It's only until the 29th. It starts the 22nd, which is tomorrow, until the 29th for customers. For consultants, it is today. You still have time to join as a consultant and get benefits from this. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. And I will see you guys soon. Again, the word of the day, thrive. So hang in there, you guys. Food is available if you can't find it near you, or you're worried about shortages coming, which we all know that they are. This is the way to go. And it tastes great, I promise you. We'll be doing a lot of recipes with all of this very, very soon. And I look forward to teaching you guys how to use your Thrive Life, as well as canning and everything else that we do here on my channel. So, word of the day, thrive. I will see you guys soon. Have a great, great Monday.